Unit 1. Making a phone call.
Hello,
Good morning. Is Albert there?
this is Al.
Al, this is Bob. What are you doing?
Bob, I'm sleeping. What time is it?
It's 8 a.m. Time to rise and shine.
8 a.m.? Huh? Oh no, I'll be late for work.
No. Today's Saturday. You do not have to work today.
Saturday. That's right, no work today. Oh, that's good.
Hey, are you free today?
Well, today is Saturday. Yeah, I'm free.
Would you like to do something together today?
That sounds good. What do you want to do?
I don't know. What do you want to do?
Well, I don't know either. Why don't you come to my house and we'll think of something?
Okay. I'll be there in about an hour.
Okay. See you later.
See ya, Al. Good morning. Is Albert there? What are you doing? Hey, are you free today? Would you like to do something together today?
That sounds good. What do you want to do? Why don't you come to my house and we'll think of something?
Okay. I'll be there in about an hour.
Unit 1.